The top 3 countries with the most satellites as of mid-2024 are United States, with a total of 3,433 satellites. China, operating 541 satellites. United Kingdom, having 486 successful satellite launches. These numbers reflect the growing trend of space utilization for various purposes. The top 3 longest snake species, based on maximum reported lengths, are reticulated python, Malaeopithon reticulatus. It is widely recognized as the world's longest snake. The longest and heaviest snake ever held in captivity was a female reticulated python named Medusa, measuring 7.67 meters long. Green anaconda, Eunex murinus. Although not the longest, the green anaconda is often considered the largest by overall weight and girth. They are exceptionally long as well, with significant lengths reported. Burmese python, Python bivitatus, another large member of the Pythonidae family, known for reaching considerable lengths. Some individuals have been reported to measure more than 5 meters. These snakes are non-venomous constrictors and can be found in various parts of the world, primarily in tropical regions. They are remarkable for their size and have often been featured in folklore and myths due to their impressive lengths. Here are 5 fascinating facts about space. Silence of space. Space is completely silent because it's a vacuum with no air or atmosphere to carry sound waves. Astronauts use radios to communicate since radio waves can travel in the void of space. Venus, the scorching planet. Despite not being the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is the hottest with an average surface temperature of about 450 degrees Celsius. This is due to its thick atmosphere that traps heat. Life on Mars. Mars is considered the most likely candidate in our solar system to host life, other than Earth. In 1986, NASA found what they thought might be fossils of microscopic living things in a rock from Mars. Countless stars. The exact number of stars in space is unknown. Within our Milky Way galaxy alone, there are estimated to be between 200 to 400 billion stars, and there are billions of galaxies out there. Halley's Comet. This famous comet, discovered by Edmund Halley, was last seen in 1986 and is expected to orbit past Earth again in 2061. It's visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. Space is indeed a vast and mysterious place filled with wonders beyond our imagination. The top 3 largest cities in the world by population as of 2024 are Tokyo, Japan, with a population of 37,115,035. Delhi, India, with a population of 33,807,403. Shanghai, China, with a population of 29,867,918. These figures reflect the entire metropolitan area for each city, which includes the urban core as well as the surrounding suburbs and satellite towns. Tokyo remains the most populous city, while Delhi and Shanghai follow close. The top 3 happiest countries based on recent reports. Finland. Finland consistently ranks as the world's happiest country. In 2024, it holds the title with a happiness score of 7.804. Finland's strong sense of communal support, mutual trust, and freedom of choice contribute to its top ranking. Denmark, following closely behind, Denmark boasts a happiness score of 7.59. Its high standards of living and robust social support systems contribute to its well-being. Iceland. Iceland secures the 3rd spot with a happiness score of 7.53. Its stunning landscapes, strong community ties, and overall quality of life contribute to its happiness levels. These Northern European countries prioritize social well-being, health, and quality of life, which reflect in their high happiness rankings. 5 most venomous snakes, based on the potency of their venom, are Inland taipan, with an LD50 of 0.025 mg per kilogram, its venom is so lethal that one bite is enough to kill 100 men. Coastal taipan, known for its highly toxic venom, which can cause significant damage to the victim's nervous system. King cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, its venom is not the most potent, but the volume it delivers in a single bite can be fatal. Black mamba, feared for its speed and highly toxic venom, it is one of the deadliest snakes in Africa. Saw-scaled viper, although small, it's responsible for more human fatalities than any other snake, largely due to its aggressive nature and potent venom. These snakes are incredibly dangerous due to their venom's ability to attack the nervous system, blood cells, and muscles, leading to severe symptoms and, if left untreated, death. It's important to note that the deadliest snakes are not necessarily the most venomous, as factors like human contact, snake behavior, and access to medical treatment play significant roles in the risk they pose to humans. The 5 smallest nations in the world by total area are Vatican City 0.49 square kilometers, Monaco 2.0 square kilometers, Nauru 21 square kilometers, Tuvalu 26 square kilometers, San Marino 61 square kilometers. These countries are fascinating not only for their size but also for their unique cultures and histories. For instance, Vatican City is a landlocked sovereign city-state within Rome, Italy, and is the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. Monaco is known for its luxurious lifestyle and as a playground for the rich and famous, nestled on the French Riviera. Nauru and Tuvalu are island nations in the Pacific Ocean, with Nauru being the smallest island country in the world. San Marino, one of the world's oldest republics, is surrounded by Italy and is known for its medieval architecture and historical significance. Here are 5 interesting facts about mountains. Himalayas. 30 of the world's highest mountains are in the Himalayas. Approximately 1,200 people attempt to climb Mount Everest each year, but only half reach the summit. Sadly, around 300 people have died attempting to climb Everest over the past century, and their frozen bodies remain on the mountain. Mountain formation. Mountains are formed through forceful movements in plate tectonics. Pieces of the Earth's crust collide, creating huge peaks of land. This process can take centuries. Mount Everest. The summit of Mount Everest stands at 29,035 feet, making it the highest point above sea level. However, when measured from top to bottom, the tallest mountain is Mauna Kea, an inactive volcano in Hawaii that reaches 33,474 feet. Religious significance. In Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, mountains are often considered holy places where God reveals himself to human beings. For example, Moses received the 10 Commandments atop Mount Sinai in Egypt. Mountain goats, which inhabit many North American mountains, are actually not goats but antelopes. These agile creatures can even walk on sheer cliffs and jump up to 12 feet in a single bound. Here are 3 fascinating facts about plants. Diverse species. There are approximately 320,000 species of plants found across all continents, including Antarctica. And the number keeps growing as new species are discovered each year. Edible variety. While 90% of the foods we eat come from just 30 plant species, there are actually over 80,000 edible plants in the world. That's a lot of culinary potential. Pencil production. A typical mature tree can provide enough wood to make an impressive 170,100 pencils. Imagine the creative potential hidden in those trees. The top 5 most populous countries as of 2024. India, with a population of approximately 1.43 billion people. China, slightly behind India, China has around 1.43 billion people as well. United States, the US has a population of about 340 million. Indonesia ranks 4th with around 278 million people. The top 3 most venomous spiders, based on the potency of their venom and the danger they pose to humans, are Brazilian wandering spider, Phonutria fera, known for its highly toxic venom, which is capable of causing serious injury or death. It's considered the most venomous spider by Guinness World Records. Sydney funnel web spider, Atrax robustus. This spider's venom contains a powerful neurotoxin that can be lethal to humans, especially if medical treatment is not received promptly. Brown recluse spider, Loxosceles reclusa. Although bites are rare, the venom of this spider can cause significant necrotic lesions and systemic symptoms. These spiders are not only dangerous because of their venom but also due to factors like their behavior and the likelihood of encountering humans. It's always best to keep a safe distance from any spider that you're not able to positively identify as harmless.